I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
Hello everyone, you welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something different. I want to take you guys on my weight journey. Okay, so first of all, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Let's dive into today's business. So today, actually this is the day 5. I'm going to be dropping my pictures of my before and after. Okay, so first of all, I've made this video, but I'm just dropping it now. Yes, I've made this video 5 days ago. So what I will be doing, I'll be showing you what I did, okay, for the first 5 days for me to be able to lose 7 kilo. Yes, 7 kilo, I mean it. So first of all, this is what I do every morning. I take 3 cucumber, 4, 5. Whichever one you can take. Okay, this is the only thing I'm taking morning, afternoon and evening, and sometimes I can include just 1 egg. Okay guys, so what I do, I just wash my cucumber and I slice it into my small diet plate. So this is a plate I always use for my weight loss journey. I don't know, you can get it anywhere, but trust me, you are going to really appreciate every of my journey that I'll be sharing with you. So this is what I did. I'm going to be dropping the picture for you to see. So only cucumber does it all. If you can do this, you will come back. Just do it in 5 days, okay? You will see how your tummy, not only tummy, it's general body weight loss, okay? Not only your tummy. For me, I'm focusing on my full body because right now I'm weighing 103 and already I've lost 7 kg in 5 days. So this is my secret. I hope you will enjoy this video. I'm just only showing you this is what I did, and I'm still going to be showing you other things that I'm doing for me to lose weight. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you again. Bye. Yes, you decide how you want it. Okay, so this is my plate, guys. This is my morning food. See, you see it now. This is my morning food. Okay, so if you can eat this one as your morning food, and you are a friend of water. So don't forget to take your water. So this is what I'll be eating in the afternoon. I'm still going to show you guys what I'm going to be eating in the afternoon. Okay, so happy weight loss to everyone. I hope you can continue this thing. Honestly, you will see it will be like magic. Yeah, it will be like magic. Just try to follow this step. First 3 days, it will just go into your system and it will become part of you. Okay, so I will see you later in the afternoon. Yeah, so in between, I forgot to tell you guys that in around 12 o'clock I will take 1 apple. Yeah, I will take 1 apple in the afternoon. If you want to take egg, you can take around 12 o'clock. You can take egg because egg is also very good for weight loss. You can even take 3 eggs in a day. It doesn't matter. Okay, so that is it. I will show you what I will be taking next. Okay, let's go.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit.